Good morning, my lovely students. It's Miss Huna. Hope you all are fine and ready for today's lesson. So for today we're going to cover pages 159 and 160 in your math learners book. Okay, get your book and first open 159. Great. In this page we have practice, which is about moving around. Okay, practice, which is about moving around. 1. Are they moving to the left or the right? Are they moving to the left or the right? Look at here. Right, this side, and left, this side. Okay, the first one. Left or right? Think about it. Right, well done. B. Look at this picture. Is she moving to the left or to the right? You can look at here, okay, in order to help you. So the answer is left. Well done. C. Look at this arrow. Is it to the left or to the right? Right, well done, good job. Here we have more clock times. Okay, there are 24 hours in one day, as I told you in the previous lessons. Okay, each time a new hour starts, the minute hand on a clock reaches the 12 and makes an o'clock time. This is minute hand. Okay, the big one, the big hand, or the minute hand. And here in one day we have 24 hours. Okay, this is a chart. Great. The minute hand, it means the big one, is pointing straight upwards. This shows us it is an o'clock time. Okay, the minute hand or the big hand shows us it is an o'clock time. Okay, the hour hand or the small hand shows us which o'clock time it is. Okay, so if the small hand or the hour hand is on 7 and the big hand or the minute hand is on 12, in this case what time is it? It is 7 o'clock. Okay, good. Now open page 160. Here we have practice. 1. Use a clock to make these o'clock times. The first one has been done for you. 2 o'clock. The small hand is on 2 and the big one is on 12. Okay. B. 6 o'clock. If it's 6 o'clock, the small hand or the hour hand should be on 6. Well done. And the big hand or the minute hand should be on 12. Well done. C. 10 o'clock. If it's 10 o'clock, the small one should be on 10. Very good. And this big one should be on 12. Amazing. D. 12 o'clock. If it's 12 o'clock, the small one should be on 12. And also the big one should be on 12. Well done. E. 4 o'clock. If it's 4 o'clock, the small one should be on 4 and the big one should be on 12. Well done. Look at here. The minute hand or the big hand is pointing to the 12 and the hour hand or the small hand is pointing to the 9. Okay, in this case, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Here, the minute hand is pointing to the 12. The small hand or the hour hand is pointing to the 12. Okay, minute hand, the big hand is on 12 Our hand or the small hand is on 12. In this case, what time is it? 12 o'clock. Great. Now, which o'clock times do these clocks show? The first one. The small one is on 3 and the big one is on 12. What time is it? 3 o'clock. Well done. B. The small one is on 5 and the big one is on 12. In this case, what time is it? It is 5 o'clock. Well done. C. The small one is on 11 and the big one is on 12. What time is it? It is 11 o'clock. Well done. D. Which time is most likely for learners to be at school? As we know, 8. Great. E. Which time is most likely to be dinner time? And we know that it's 12, okay? F. Which time is most likely to be when school finishes? We know that it's 3 o'clock. Okay? Well done. Good job. So that was all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.